Hello everyone, I'm Sonal and welcome back to my channel. In this video I've did a very nice Indian subtle makeup look which is very wearable. Starting off with the primer, I'm using the primer from Wet n Wild, and now I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation which is from Maybelline Fit Me. It is in the shade 332 and I'm just going to blend it all into my skin. Guys, I love the finish of this foundation. Just look at it. It is just wow. Now moving towards powdering my face, I'm using the Fit Me Loose powder. And I'm just gonna be powdering my under eye area and areas where I get oily and sweaty. Moving towards the brow, I'm gonna be using a grayish brown eyeshadow. I have been using this eyeshadow shade for longest time and I love the finish, how it comes out to be. Mattifying my face and dusting off the excess powder with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics Vivid Victory palette and I'm going to be applying blush to my face. It just makes the look so fresh and so natural looking and just wow. Now taking the Master Stroke palette from Maybelline, I'm going to be contouring my face and adding some highlight. The highlight in this palette is very beautiful, you guys. It's very natural looking highlight. I'm going to be highlighting the bridge of my nose and also the cupid's bow and also a little bit on my collarbone. Taking the contour shade, I'm gonna be applying the contour on the cheeks. Now it is finally time for the eyes. For the eyes, I'm gonna be just first lining my eye using the liner from Lakme. Bringing the liner a little bit on the edge, I'm gonna be just drawing a line towards my waterline. It just makes my eyes look bigger. Taking a flat brush, I'm gonna be taking black eyeshadow and smudging that eyeliner a little bit. Now taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm gonna be using the yellow shade as transition on my eyelids. Using circular motion to just blend it all in. Now taking a orangish red shade, I'm gonna be putting it on top of the liner which we just smudged. And now I'm gonna be taking the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna be smudging it with the brown eyeshadow to just give it a sort of smudged eyeliner effect. Now curling my lashes, I'm gonna be applying the My Glam mascara, which is a threesome mascara. Taking two combinations of Color Bar lipstick, I'm gonna be applying this pinkish shade on my lips. So the lipstick which I used was a little bit glossy, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow on top of it to just mattify my lips. And now guys, that is finally it for the video. I think you all enjoyed the video enough, and if you do, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also like this video and leave your suggestions in the comments box. For more such videos, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching guys. I love you. Bye.